A two-seater coupe with a mid-mountain engine, the Alpine A110 remains faithful to the spirit of the original, the iconic berlinette. As well as the badge bearing the full Alpine name, it retains the timeless values of compactness, lightness, and agility that led to the success of the brand, created by Jean Redelais in 1955. The modern Alpine A110 is a combination of design with modern materials and technologies. Its designers are all passionate, driven by the aim of creating a vehicle that is dedicated to true driving pleasure. The sleek, low design ticks every box, with profile size and sculpted wheel arches. The design is taut and unified, with the bodywork wrapped tightly around the mechanical components like a skin to keep the footprint to a minimum and increase efficiency and performance. It has a classic V-shaped front section that's full of character and rooted in the brand's DNA. It owes its unmistakable look to its inspiration, the original A110 launched in 1962. The new Alpine A110 retains the 4 independent headlight units, 2 main and 2 auxiliaries, which today use full LED technology for improved consumption and visibility, whilst providing a resolutely individual light signature. Echoing the famous berlinette once more, the central rib on the rounded bonnet accentuates the dynamism of the whole design. The low, short rear end features wide wings yet requires no active aerodynamic component. The rounded rear window is nothing other than an affectionate wink to the very first A110. The compact LED lights, with their instantly recognizable X-shaped signature, are fitted with dynamic indicators. The single-active sport exhaust is skillfully integrated at the center of the diffuser, as is evident from its elegant contours and the tricolor badges mounted on its sides. The A110 is an authentically French vehicle. Although it has been designed at the Renault Group's engineering center, it has been manufactured at the Alpine historic birthplace in Dieppe. The launch version, known as Premier Edition, is a limited production run of just 1,955 vehicles. It is available in 3 exclusive colors: Bleu Alpine, Blanc Solaire, and Noir Profond.